Hello my creators, today we are going to make birthday pop-up card. For that, materials required are now let's start the video. First, take your black paper. Size will be a 14 by 29 centimeter. Now we have to start marking at 7, 14, 21 and 28. Similarly at the opposite side. After that you have to trace a line. First line, then dot dot line. Remember the dot dot line we are going to cut. Once you complete, you have to trace your line with the empty refill pen like this. Now we have to start cutting. We have to cut till here only. And the opposite side of cutting, we have to cut this corner. This one. Like this, we have to complete our cutting. After tracing the line, you have to fold your paper something like this, and this half inch we are going to stick something like this. Before that, we are going to stick some papers here. So let's start sticking the papers. I took the red paper and at the border of this paper, I marked stitch line. So like this, you have to complete your color paper sticking work. You can take any color paper. Now we are going to stick this one. So we can make the box like this. Now once you complete the apply, put your paper like this and press it properly for sticking. Now check this, open it properly, and now the red part should be come out like this. You have to fold your paper. Now for the decoration purpose, I use this paper. I take this circle and divide it in 4 parts so I can get this size of paper, and I stick it in the 4 corners. Instead of this, you can stick any kind of the printed paper here also. Now once you complete sticking, we can start the inside work. Now first take 2 by 10 centimeter strips. Then these are the random strips. Some small strips also. Like this. This is a paper which I have written the happy birthday. You can write anything. Some coloring paper. I make the balloon from the coloring paper. You can make anything. Now we are going to first fold half inch. Then center measurement we have to keep it 7 centimeter. And then again the rest we are going to fold it. So after folding, it should be look like this. Like this you have to make ready 3 strips. And this we are going to stick it here like this. The 2 folded part we have to stick it in the opposite square. In this box we are going to make the 3 layers. So first small, then medium and then the large one. So for the small I am taking a small strip like this. On each strips I am sticking a 3 small strips. Now once I complete this small strip sticking, I am going to take the piece of paper where I wrote happy birthday. You can write anything on the piece of paper, and this I am going to stick on this. Like this we complete our first layer. Now we are going to stick it in a box. As I told you, we are going to stick on the opposite squares. So like this, one you have to stick it here, and second you have to stick here, opposite side. Hold it folded wise. Even you can fold your paper like this and press it for the sticking work. Now we are going to stick the last one. The similar way we are going to stick this one. as I told you, we have to stick opposite side. Now as you complete the first and last, you can take the place for the center one. So the last you have to stick it in a center. Now once you complete this much, we have to leave it for the dry. Now till that we are going to stick the balloon on these strips. So like this you have to make these strips ready. Now we are going to start sticking. We have to stick at the back side of that strip which we stick it in the box. As you complete the sticking, you can fold your paper like this and check the layer. Now we can start sticking the third layer balloon. For that we have to apply the Fevicol, stick it, and afterwards we have to check also. The paper will be not going out of the square. In this you can go for the sticking, cross sticking also, like this. Now see, you have to close the square and you have to check also. See, your paper should be not going out of the square, like this. In this also, first I stick the first one and the last one, the center one I get the place. So here your pop-up box and birthday card is ready. You have to close it like this. On the top, if you want to do the decoration, you can do something like this. I hope you enjoy this activity. Thank you.